Hi.
Today I will show you how to buy Coldstack tokens on Solana chain. If you are new to crypto, first head to CoinMarketCap and search for Coldstack. You can see Coldstack info page for price, etc. From the Markets tab, click on CLS Sol pair. Then at the left side info, click on Trade on Radium. You will go to the Radium website. Then on the top right, click on Connect Wallet. As usual, I will be using the Phantom wallet. I will swap mine Solana to get some more CLS. Please make sure you are getting the right CLS tokens. You can use the contract given on the CoinMarketCap. Go to the contract section. Copy the Coldstack's Sol contract address. Then paste to add the token. I will swap mine 0.1 Solana for Coldstack. You can do with your desired amount. After this, click on Swap. You need to unlock your wallet. Enter your password and click on Unlock. You can see transaction details, fee, etc. Click on Confirm tab. Here you go.
Fast.
Thanks for watching.